Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Instagram handles profile views. It's important to know that Instagram does not provide a direct feature to see who specifically looks at your profile. Many third-party applications claim to offer this ability, but these are typically scams or can compromise your account security. Always be cautious about sharing your login information with unverified apps. While you can't see individual profile visitors, if you have a business or creator account, you can access valuable insights. These tools show you data like your reach, impressions, and even demographic information about your followers. This helps you understand your audience as a whole and how your content performs, but it won't identify specific people who visited your profile. You can, however, gain insights into who interacts with your content through engagement metrics. This includes tracking likes, comments, shares, and saves on your posts. For stories, you can see a list of people who viewed them. While these metrics don't tell you about profile visits, they are excellent indicators of how interested your audience is in what you share. To protect your privacy and security, consider keeping your Instagram account private if you want to control who sees your content. Always be extremely careful about any app that asks for your Instagram login credentials, as they can be malicious. The best way to understand and grow your audience is by focusing on creating engaging, high-quality content that naturally attracts followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.